Welcome back to Home Decor Ideas. Today we're diving into the timeless charm of rustic living rooms. Whether you're looking to completely transform your space or add a few cozy touches, these ideas will help you create a living room that feels warm, welcoming, and effortlessly stylish. Rustic design is all about celebrating natural materials. Start with wood, stone, and metal to create an earthy, grounded feel in your living room. Reclaimed wood adds character and history, while stone elements like a fireplace or accent wall bring texture and warmth to the space. Comfort is key in a rustic living room. Choose plush sofas and armchairs upholstered in neutral tones like beige, cream, or gray. Mix in textures like leather or linen for an inviting touch. Layering fabrics and textures adds depth and makes the space feel lived in and cozy. A fireplace is often the centerpiece of a rustic living room. Whether it's a grand stone fireplace or a simple wood-burning stove, it instantly creates a cozy focal point. Decorate the mantel with seasonal accents, candles, or vintage finds for a personal touch. Lighting plays a huge role in creating a rustic ambiance. Use warm, soft lighting with fixtures made of metal, wood, or glass to complement the natural elements in the room. Don't forget to add candles or lanterns for that soft, flickering glow on cozy evenings. Rustic living rooms shine when textures are layered. Add throw blankets, area rugs, and cushions in materials like wool, burlap, or faux fur to create a space that feels rich and inviting. Mixing patterns like plaid or herringbone with solid tones adds visual interest while keeping the space cohesive. Personalize your rustic living room with vintage or handmade accents. Incorporate items like a distressed wood coffee table, antique mirrors, or handcrafted pottery. These unique pieces tell a story and give your living room that one-of-a-kind charm. Rustic design thrives on a connection to nature, so bring the outdoors in with greenery. Potted plants, dried flowers, or even a vase of fresh branches can add life to the space. These touches not only freshen up the room, but also enhance the natural elements of rustic design. Finally, add personal touches to make your living room uniquely yours. Display family photos in wooden frames, stack books on a side table, or include items from your travels. It's these small details that make your rustic living room feel truly special and welcoming. With natural materials, cozy textures, and personal touches, you can create a rustic living room that's both timeless and inviting. It's the perfect space for relaxing, entertaining, or simply enjoying the beauty of home. Thank you for joining us today. If you're inspired to bring rustic charm into your home, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating.